Okay, no more ties, no more socks. Let's find your dad something he'll actually use this year. Here's 3 tools you could buy your dad in 3 different price categories. Things he'll actually like and actually use, because as a dad, I use these things all the time. Now I'll put a link to all 3 of these things in the description so you can check out current pricing. All right, cheapest option under 10 bucks. It's the grabber. This thing is incredible. I use this to clean all the hair clogs that my beautiful daughters leave with their hair clogging the shower drain. If your dad works on cars, drop something in the engine, use the grabber. And bonus, these bad boys have a light at the end so you can use it as a flashlight. So for under 20 bucks, this is my best advice. Buy your dad something he'll actually use. Get him a grabber. Next, under $50. Get your dad a compressor. Think of how many things in your house need to be pumped up. His bike tires, your bike tires. His car tires, your mom's car tires. So much stuff needs air. Your dad needs to inflate it. Beauty of this bad boy is you can inflate things like air mattresses, you can inflate tires. Also, there's 3 ways to power it. You got your battery power, so you can take it portably. You can actually plug it into your cigarette lighter, your 12 volt in your automobile, or you can plug it into any old household outlet. This thing is incredible. I find myself using it all the time. And finally, it's a new car. Ha, psych, just kidding. Why don't you buy your dad a custom-sized sunshade? This one's made by Pigeonius. Now, pricing on these kind of vary depending on car model. And this one for my Toyota Sienna comes in just under $50. But hey, it's hot in the south, so let's block all the rays from the sun. Well, there you have it. So argue with me in the comments. What are you getting your dad for this Father's Day? And if you've got a better suggestion than the 3 tools I suggested here.